guys, it's Markel Gaming here. I'm back. So I'm gonna tell what happened from my video. Wait. Yeah, I'm gonna tell what happened, okay? To my video, like I'm saying, like I will reveal what happened to my world. Yeah, I will reveal. Now I will reveal. First of all, the account got deleted. I changed to Open It Gold 13 because the real one is Open It Gold 13. Open It Gold 66822. So I don't know to Minecraft. He changed the name. Yeah, I think I revealed it yet. No, I didn't reveal it yet. Okay, so new members. So this is what happened. I I accidentally delete the Minecraft World 4. Not for fun, yeah. Accidentally delete the Minecraft app. I thought I delete the Minecraft add-ons, but they look similar. Like I thought this is the add-ons. I accidentally delete the Minecraft world. Yeah, let's just change. Let's just change the name because the old. Yeah, let's change the name now. So bye bye best. Yeah, that's the first name, so I will change it now. Best. Let's just put town, yeah. Cause welcome to best town. Welcome to the best town. SMP. Um, 20. Yeah, the new name. Just, I'm too sad that's happened. I accidentally did the world. So guys, this is what I'm talking about. Like, so okay guys, so this is the world I built. Just don't be disappointed from what I built. Okay, here we go. So just like that thing, but this is, I changed this. I remember this is just the white thing. Now I change it to black. So the new name, yeah, let's just change it. Here we go. Welcome to best SMP friendly world. Here we go, the new name. And say down now. Here we go, new member. You can even see Cherry and Mochi. Wait, what's the name again? Timochiko. I don't even know how to say it. Sorry. Sorry, okay. So he's not even done to the house yet. But his passes in the house. So this is Cherry. He like, I don't know, he just like cherry. I think he like cherry. Yeah, it's a cherry block, cherry blossom. Like tea. And like that. And so Violet just go in and build his house like the normal. But he add more details so it's like good. So it's Violet. Also, yeah, he back. Played boat. Palace. Hello? How? I did not even spawn you. How did you spawn? Right, here go my cousin Chandler. So Saibala, what's up, bro? So he's Indian. I like him. Okay, he's the best guy in the is the best in here. Okay. Also, I'm just being so good. Like I build on this secret. Also, Acer house. Acer tree house, of course. Tree house, not house. It's a tree house. Also, let's go. Okay, over here, I build the thing. Minecraft. So this is the video, the Minecraft video I must build, but it did not come out because I accidentally deleted the Minecraft. Sorry guys for deleting the world. I mean the Minecraft. I accidentally deleted it. Accidentally. Sorry guys. Also here is my house. Yeah, I built my house here. Yeah, everyone call me Ghoul in the Minecraft. Okay. Let me just build a fancy house. Yeah, here we go. We like survival house right now. Also, let's go. Also, my cat and dogs are there. Cat and dogs. Hello, guys. Hello. Yeah, they are just there. Also, just go outside. Yeah, like my house. Also, I'm not gonna, I'm just gonna show you. Like that. Like just like that. Normal house. The violets are good, okay? Okay, I built a song like la 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 ba chicha chicha, but it's not kinda good. Super spicy is a bata. I don't know to sing it. Do it again. La 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 ba chicha chicken. Sleep lava chicken. Mamacita, ring the bell. See super. I don't know how to sing it. La bata. Okay, that's all. Okay, here we go. So this is just a spinning boat. My friend just built it. So of course, we will never forget. Meeting room. Of course, I built a meeting room by my own. Just a normal meeting room. So this is the mansion I should build, but I can't sell it because it's always freezing my phone. How do I sleep? Yeah, it's always freezing. I can't sell it. Yeah, put on the name. Finishing it. Okay, I'm just gonna just go. So, just guys, wanna join this server? Not server, my world. Just comment your username down below. Just comment it. Whatever your username, I will add you and let's play Minecraft together and just build our house. Yeah, he built a second house. Okay, so just like I like this song. Gotta go now. Bye bye. And see you to my next video. Also, I'll just comment your username. Let's play Minecraft together. Okay, gotta go. Bye bye, guys. See you.